Hello, my name is Clueless, and today I'm going to be unboxing the PIAA Superior Bass Horn Set. Now, the first thing you'll notice is the box is not in great shape. I don't know if that happened while it was in shipping or if it happened before it shipped to me. That's not really the kind of thing I care about as long as the horns work. They do look like they're snugly tucked into the cardboard they're sitting in, so that is all that really matters to me. The other thing I notice is that it is covered in a language I cannot read, so that's really cool. It's made in a country I've never been to, and it has pictures of nice cars on it. So I'm going to take my salt knife and cut open some of this tape. Let's see. Alright, throw that away. So now you have this little cardboard plate or whatever. Can't think of anything funny to say about this. You've got a 330 hertz horn, which is extremely low. That's what gives it the unique sound. And then you've got your 400 hertz horn, which is about as low as most low tones from OEM setups, I suppose. Like my Ford Focus, its original low tone probably was about 400, maybe slightly lower, slightly higher. 330 hertz, that's pretty much never put in OEM horn sets anymore. So let's see. You pull out the instruction manual. Let's see. Do not remove or alter the screw or the bracket on the back side of the horns. Doing so. Okay, so good. So this is not in English, it's in English, which is always a very nice touch. The other weird thing you'll notice, it comes with two wires that are very well strung together. So it comes with two wires. These wires are very good. They're very nicely made. There's only one issue. There are 4 prongs. In any horn setup I can think of, you're going to need 4 of these wires, so I don't know why it only comes with 2. Let's see. That's really all it comes with, though. The only thing is I have had PIAA horns in my car, 2 different types of setups and 2 different cars I've owned in the last 2 years or so, and it's actually pretty easy to make your own little wiring harnesses. I prefer to just go ahead and make all 4 of the wires myself. This is what it looks like for one horn. As you can see, I very well manufactured this. I kind of took the original 2-prong thing and twisted off one side of it. It totally depends on the way your horn plugs are, but that's just what I did for myself. And then I take this and put it on one side. It doesn't matter which side is positive or negative, as long as you do not ever manage to cross them. So there you go. That's what it looks like before you plug it in. Oh my God, wake up, America! Look at what they're doing to this country! I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore.